a chai chat with Lavina from Berlin. I'm outside a very, very important restaurant bar called Newman's. It is very close to the Houses of Parliament in Berlin and also very close to a place here where refugees have flooded inside into Germany. And therefore, this has played a very significant role in the entire refugee crisis in Germany. Not to say that this particular restaurant serves authentic German food. It has a cover of about 200 to 250 people. But the significant thing is that it is run by a family that themselves do not eat vegetarian, don't wine or dine on non-vegetarian food or any other dining products, if I may say so. And may I please introduce you the Sodhi family. There we are. Yes, of course. Serving German food very close to the Houses of Parliament, where even the presidents and chancellors have wined and dined by an Indian household. So shall I first introduce our little junior, Sodhi Saab. You are not that important, huh?
No,
first, he is very important. Hello, Akash.
Hello.
Good boy. Grip. Yeah, ये ना कोई बात. And Mrs. Bindu Sodhi.
Hello.
And of course, Mr. Baljinder Sodhi. आप लोगों ने बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. हमने सुना है आपने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल अदा किया है रिफ्यूजी क्राइसिस की शुरुआत में. मुझे बताइए क्या और क्यों.
देखिए मैम, ऐसे है कि अगर आप इस डायरेक्शन पे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 500 मीटर ये जो सेंट्रल पॉइंट ऑफ बर्लिन का है, तो यहाँ पे सारे रिफ्यूजी जितने भी कहीं से भी आते हैं यहीं पे उनकी रजिस्ट्रेशन होती है. तो अगस्त के महीने में जब हम यहाँ से गुजरते थे, डेली हम 5, 6, 7 बार यहाँ से गुजरते हैं. जब हम यहाँ से गुजरते तो देखते थे कि वहाँ पे सैकड़ों की तादाद में रिफ्यूजी खड़े हुए हैं. ना उनके पास कोई पैसा है, ना उनके पास कोई कपड़ा है, ना उनके पास खाने के लिए है, क्योंकि रिफ्यूजीज़ आर कमिंग थ्रू आउट आर सुबह से लेकर रात तक आते रहते हैं. ऑफिशियल जो चैनल है इनके, ये तो 5 बजे दफ्तर बंद कर देते हैं. तो जब हमने देखा तो हमने जस्ट आइडिया कि भाई ये बड़े नीडी लोग हैं, इनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. अखबारों में भी पढ़ते थे. तो फिर हमने अपने ये स्टाफ को बोला कि मेरे को डेली 200 बंदे का खाना चाहिए, तो वी जस्ट वांट टू गो देयर एंड शेयर विद देम. तो फिर हमने शुरू किया. एक दिन तो पता चला कि एकदम विदिन 30 मिनट सारा खाना एकदम गायब हो गया, ख़त्म हो गया. तो फिर हमने यही सोच के मैंने डेली इंस्ट्रक्शन दी, यार ये तो बहुत ही लोगों को ज़रूरत है, तो हम डेली रेगुलरली 200-250 बंदे का खाना और 200-250 बंदे के लिए चाय देंगे इस वेदर में. तो ये हम 26 अगस्त को शुरू किया था. 11 नवंबर तक हम करते रहे इसको 2-2.5 महीने. उसके साथ साथ हमने ईमेल भेजी अपने कॉन्टैक्ट जो हैं, जो पॉलिटिशियंस के साथ या डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ. आप आज पुलिस प्रेसिडेंट को मिलोगे, इमिग्रेशन चीफ जो बर्लिन का उसको मिलोगे, जो इनका चेयरमैन है, सेक्रेटरी प्रेसिडेंट उसको मिलोगे. तो इनके साथ बात करी कि इसको कैसे हम बेटर हैंडल कर सकते हैं. जर्मन्स आर वेरी काइंड एंड वेरी नाइस. ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ये लोग हैं तो ये बड़े तरीके से मतलब कि हर बंदे की बात सुनते हैं, ख़ास करके उसकी जो यहाँ पे कुछ काम कर रहा है. तो ये बड़े पोलाइटली इन्होंने हमारी बात सुनी, तो हमारी हर जगह पे राय लेते रहे कि कैसे हम बेटर कर सकते हैं. तो अभी 11 नवंबर के बाद इन्होंने मतलब कि काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट और बड़ा बेटर किया. आज तक बर्लिन में 88,000 के करीब जो रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुकी हैं, जो रिफ्यूजियों को खाने के लिए, पीने के लिए और रहने के लिए सारा सामान मिल चुका है. तो यही सोच के हमने 2.5 महीने करी. पर फिर भी जो इतना बड़ा एक मुद्दा होता है, जो इतनी बड़ी मतलब जो एक चैलेंज एक कंट्री जर्मनी जैसे कंट्री को मिला, यहाँ पे 1 मिलियन लोग आ गए, तो उसमें कई चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं कि जो प्रॉपर वे से नहीं चलती. उसमें तो फिर बहुत सारी हेल्प ऑर्गेनाइजेशन साथ में मिली हुई हैं. तो कई हेल्प ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वो क्रिटिसाइज़ करती हैं, देखो जी गवर्नमेंट ये नहीं करती, वो नहीं करती, ये तो आपको पता है ऐसे चलता रहता है. तो आज हमने बोला कि ये जो हेल्प ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और जो सरकारी जो दायरे हैं जो इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और 88,000 लोगों को विदिन 3 मंथ्स रजिस्टर्ड कर दिया, तो उनके लिए हमने आज एक थैंक्स डिनर होस्ट किया है.
बिल्कुल. और उस थैंक्स डिनर में हम ज़रूर जाने वाले हैं अभी अंदर, और आप हमें सबसे मिलवाने भी वाले हैं. मिसेस सोधी, आप मुझे बताएं कि बहुत कुछ आप करती हैं और बहुत कुछ आपने समेटा, जुटाया, सब कंबल ये वो, तो किस तरह का आपको रिएक्शन वहाँ मिला जब आप वहाँ पहुँची? किस तरह के रिफ्यूजीज़ का आपको रिएक्शन मिला? और दूसरी बात है कि हम देश के खुद बाहर से हम लोग आए हुए लोग हैं यहाँ पे, तो उनकी खुद की समस्याएं, तो क्या ऐसा लगा कि हमें दूसरों को भी मदद करनी चाहिए?
ठीक है, आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं. ऐसा ही था कि वी हैव सीन देयर रिएक्शंस. दे वांटेड रियली हेल्प. They wanted that anybody should help us. So that we did, and we can also imagine their feelings. So as we are also foreigner in this country, so I can imagine their feelings. So that's why we took initiative to help them.
We are going inside, and Sodhi ji will take us inside to talk to all the people who have worked consistently for so long, heads of police, heads of social work services and all the departments in Berlin, but also to talk about how has this experiment turned out, or it's turning out for them, because we do know recently there has been a lot of debate, or rather a sort of opposition for Chancellor Angela Merkel, who has been opening her doors for the refugees. And she has been challenged. Her whole entire step has been challenged because there are a lot of problems that Berlin itself has, and which Germany itself has, which people here think that need to be tackled before we have more problems coming in the country. So what is the refugee crisis doing to the Germany at this point in time? It is challenging the political map of Germany, and also the position of Angela Merkel, the Chancellor. So Sodhi ji, please take us to the thank you dinner for the people who have helped the refugees, and discussing what exactly is the way forward now on Chai Chat. Sodhi ji and Mrs. Sodhi, अब हम चल रहे हैं हमारे थैंक्स डिनर के लिए, लेकिन उससे पहले मुझे एक बात बताइए कि ये लोग आपको गांधी गांधी क्यों कहते हैं? आप हैं तो सोधी।
देखिए ऐसे है कि गांधी का जवाब मैं क्या दूँ, मेरे ख्याल में देश के लिए इंडिया से हम आए हैं तो गांधी मतलब कि इनको पता है कि गांधी एक ऐसी छवि है देश के लिए। हाँ। तो उसी वजह से शायद हो सकता है कि हमारे सिस्टम में हर इनकी कोई भी हेल्पिंग हैंड है, कुछ भी हर चीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। हाँ। बाकी आप मेरे मिसेस से पूछ लीजिए, बिंदु जी आपको कैसे बता सकते हैं मेरे ख्याल से
झंडे गाड़े हुए इन्होंने इंडियंस के, और इंडियन के नाम से गांधी जुड़ा हुआ है।
That's true. As we know, the Gandhi ji is known as a very helpful and cooperative political leader all over the world. So Germans also know about Mahatma Gandhi ji. So that's why they call them the Mahatma Gandhi ji.
तो अगर आप बर्लिन आए और आपको बोले गांधी से मिला रहे हैं तो ये इनसे मिलना होता है फिर, जैसे हम मिले हैं सोधी साहब से।
समझ सकते हैं आप।
आइए सोधी जी, चलते हैं आपके थैंक यू डिनर के लिए जो रेफ्यूजीज के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है। This whole Newman's bar and restaurant is filled with people, not only from the refugee camps, but also those who have helped these people in various people getting them settled. So people from the police department, people from the mayor office itself, and they are here doing a do on thanking each other. It's like a thank you dinner for them for having worked for so long. But at the same time, we're going to talk about how this refugee crisis is turning out for Germany, which is challenging the political map and the position of Chancellor Merkel as well. I'm here sitting now with the mayor of Berlin, police personnel, and also the immigration person, the officer, who has, all of them have worked together to bring the registrations of people who are refugees, and all of them are here in the Thanksgiving dinner. Can I first thank you very, very much, Mr. Mayor, for talking to us. How difficult do you think has it been, this crisis for Berlin itself?
It's very difficult, of course. There comes many people to Berlin. In the last year, 70,000 refugees arrived in Berlin, and we must look for home, for places in flats and also on. And it is a great power what we need. But many people in Berlin are working for it.
Yes, of course. But there has been a lot of late, the entire decision of opening the doors of Germany for the refugees has come under a lot of pressure for Chancellor Merkel. Do you think that you should be limiting the numbers now, or are you happy to take more immigrants as they come?
We can't limitate the numbers of refugees. We have laws. They say that we must give asylum for people who need it, who are going away from their homelands. Of course, there is war. And the decision of Chancellor Merkel was right to open the border, to bring the people to Germany, of course to Europe, but many countries in Europe don't open the gate for the refugees so that they have a home, they have eating, they have peace. And I think that we have get 1 million refugees in last year, and I think Chancellor Merkel will open the gate, the border in this year, so that arrive again 1 million people. And I think in the future, these people who arrive in Germany are looking to bring their wives, their men, their children, their parents also to Germany. So I think in the next 5 years will come 5 million people from Syria and Iraq to Germany to find here a new home and peace and freedom.
Okay, thank you. We have here Mr. Mayor saying that you have almost 5 million people maybe in 5 years coming into Germany.
Coming into Germany, yes.
Yeah.
Right.
How? I'm sure this must get overwhelming, or is it okay and you are ready to deal with it?
We are ready to deal with it.
Yes.
It's a big chance for Germany. It's a real big chance for Berlin. We have many young urban people who will live in this city, and they like this city, and we need these people. We need the international flair, we need the international spirit in this city.
Do you think that recently there has been a debate, or rather trying to tell Chancellor Merkel that she should limit the numbers because Germany has its own problems to deal with? Why and how come we can deal with so many others?
In my opinion, it's a real chance for Germany and a real chance for Berlin. Of course, it's a risk, and of course, it's work. It's much work to do here with the new people, with the new citizen in the city. But first of all, it's a real chance.
I've just won £25,000 on the People's Postcode Lottery.
To win £25,000 is just amazing. I never expected that much. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it.
Get your ticket before midnight on the 18th of February.
It's not only me that benefits, it's the charities as well. And the more people join, the more they will benefit.
The price of holidays can go up and down. That's why with the new travel supermarket, you can receive price change alerts on your phone. So you can decide when to book. Planning. So come on, holiday like a German and travel super.
I've been spoilt this Valentine's. I've had a beautiful personalised card, flowers, and he's even cooking me dinner.
You do like it crispy, don't you? At least the card was easy to make. Make the perfect Valentine's card at
funkypigeon.com.
If you've been injured in an accident, talk to an experienced lawyer from Slater & Gordon, who will handle your case with skill, care and commitment. Our lawyers secure substantial awards for victims of road traffic accidents, accidents at work, asbestos-related diseases, and accidents on holiday. For a free consultation, call us today on 0800 557727 or contact us at slatergordon.co.uk. Slater & Gordon, your case is our cause.
Fly to India with Tickets to India. Book early and get amazing deals. Call now or book online on ticketstoindia.co.uk and bring India closer.
Have you suffered from an injury as the result of a road traffic accident, medical or dental negligence? Then call Clearwater Solicitors. They will help you to get 100% compensation, no deductions. Clearwater Solicitors.
We just had the mayor of Berlin as well as the immigration head of Berlin telling us that it is a real chance for Germany and for Berlin to open the doors and to have a global world, a global, almost a global citizen here, all in here in Berlin. So I have already, I've seen you have taken almost about 1 million people. There's pressure on the government to limit the numbers. What are your challenges and what do you think? Is it a real chance or it is a challenge that needs to be curbed?
Well, it is obviously a challenge because there are so many people coming at once. And the big challenge is if they would come more slowly, it would be easy to integrate, also to have all the facilities ready. But right now we have to cope with the challenge that so many come in such a short time, and obviously the sad part of it is the reason why they come, because they come from countries where you have war, where you have civil unrest, and where people do not have any hope for the future. The other part is, it is happening right now. We have to find solutions, and that's what we are doing also in Berlin. The lines sometimes longer than we want them to be, but we still need the administration to do their work as well, which is very difficult.
Well, sir, there's also an argument you already have your own immigration issues to deal with. That's within the country. So many issues of housing the asylum seekers that have been on the waiting list, and now there are more additions to that. Do you think it is feasible to take all these problems while those exist within the system already?
Well, I have to say, I don't think we have a choice. So we have to, and this is why I'm actually pretty new now in dealing with this, but I have done work in other parts of the world, in Afghanistan for 4.5 years, and I know how the places are where those people come from. So it is something that we have to do, and I don't see that there is a choice to say, no, we can't do it. But we have to be innovative, we have to find solutions for housing, but also then for jobs and for integration, and that is something that I don't see that we can say no, but we just have to work our best to make it happen. And as you see here, we can't do it as a state, but we need all those volunteers to support this process. And it is also in the German society the big chance to work together in this challenge, which is a challenge for the state authorities, but also for the society.
Okay. So do you think Angela Merkel, the Chancellor, is on the right path and Germany should still open the doors to refugees?
I do think that she has analyzed the situation, and she has clearly said we can't close our borders because we also have a responsibility in terms of our own history that we do not want to send anybody who comes from so bad situations in their country away. So I believe, yes, on the humanitarian but also society reasons, we are on the right path with this situation.
I think it is also to do with the empathy of a nation who has itself been not so long ago in a situation that needed help.
Yes.
Okay. So, what about the fears of an Islamic attack that always happens now that it happened in Paris and it had its roots in Syria? We have this whole ISIS syndrome lying on our head. How do you deal with those fears while opening your borders?
Well, I personally do not believe that those who come with a refugee track are really able to be part of such a plot, because I believe that somebody who is coming for months from Syria to Germany, for example, will learn again solidarity and will learn to be in a society. So I believe that whatever will be portrayed, who will be the author of such a possible attack, I do not believe that it will be really true that they are part of this refugee track, but it will be, they will have other means to come here, and we can't stop it anyway. And I would never think that it is part of a refugee problem.
Just really, I've slipped this question off my head. Is it true that law and order problem or the criminal offences the number of them have risen as a result of more influx of refugees?
I have not seen any statistics that would prove that, but I haven't followed that as closely as others perhaps have. It is clearly the case that a comparable social group of Germans, young men with low income, perhaps not so good education, well, they would have a similar amount, percentage-wise, of criminals also there. So yes, we are a little bit afraid also of what happened in Cologne, that this could happen more often. But at the same time, if you look at the amount of refugees who are here, it is only a very, very small number in comparison to that. It's more than 1 million, and we have now a lot of offences that have been told to the police, but in the end, it's a very small percentage of those who have come.
Brilliant. Thank you very, very much, sir. That is indeed very, very heartwarming to realize that people here in Germany, from officers to people, have their empathy more strong than their fears, and they are not allowing their fears to take over their empathies yet totally. Let us speak to the Minister of State in the Houses of Parliament about the entire Cologne attack and also how the government is now facing the challenge of dealing with the refugee crisis.
Moment when you realise that what used to work for you just isn't working anymore, especially our hair colour.
New Excellent Age Perfect by L'Oréal Paris with brush for easy application.
A hair colour just for us.
Layered tone technology works with your greys for flattering highs and lows. Roots, less noticeable.
Greys? Gone. And this makes it as easy as brushing your hair.
New Excellent Age Perfect from L'Oréal.
It's taken over 60 years to look this good. We are so worth it.
Come on, David. Leave colour coding to your wardrobe. You're far from perfect, but that's just what she likes about you. If you don't like your imperfections,
someone else will.
Find them at one of our bowling nights or on our app. Just like David. Match. Join free today.
Child, focus.
You can concentrate when you're hungry. Eat a Snickers.
Better?
Better. You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers. Get some nuts.
Treat your Valentine with half price on selected fragrance at Superdrug. This Valentine's Day, give them that Superdrug feeling.
Join online now at puregym.com from $14.99 a month with no joining fee for a limited period. Pure Gym. Everybody welcome.
Pain. That's what drove him.
the inevitable ache after dairy. But dairy was not to blame. Their enemy was lactose. And one by one, cramps were conquered. Hearts won.
But how? I hear you cry! Liberty! Equality! Lacto-free!
Arla Lacto-free. Join the real dairy revolution.
Fly to India with Tickets to India. Book early and get amazing deals. Call now or book online on ticketstoindia.co.uk and bring India closer.
Energy price slashed. The uplifting drink to get you through the day. Bulldog Energy Drink with taurine. Available at leading wholesalers across the UK. Bulldog, the power to topple. Energy drink with taurine. Bulldog, sheer energy.
Dragon Soul. A team RPG with attitude. Insane heroes. Berserker. Dragon Lady. Electro Yeti. And vicious dragons. An RPG like no other. Search for Dragon Soul today. Dragon Soul.
Download Dragon Soul now for free in the App Store.
We saw how well the emergency centers are being run, and integration happens to be one key thing for people in Germany. And here, that's what is happening. People here are the refugees as well as all the people who have worked with the refugees and settling them in, have settled here for a Thanksgiving dinner. It's time for us to say thanks on Chai Chat, but before that we must say thank you to Sodhi ji and Mrs. Sodhi. So this is, you have a whole lot of people, about 200, 250 people for the Thanksgiving.
Yes. Actually, हमें तो ये था कि भी 150 के लोग करीब आएंगे, 150-200 से, पर यहाँ से 250-300 लोग आ गए, आप देख ही रहे हो। तो यही मैंने इनको बोला कि जब एकदम बहुत सारा रश हो जाता है, बहुत सारे लोग आ जाते हैं, तो थोड़ी बहुत ही समस्या आती हैं। तो सभी लोगों ने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया। यहाँ पे टॉप इनके जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के सारे लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, जो 80 से 88,000 लोगों के लिए मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। तो आपने देखा कि भी वो सब ने कितना अप्लॉज किया, और एक को जो हेल्पिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और जो मेनली एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ब्लॉक है, दोनों आमने सामने बैठे हुए हैं और डिनर एंजॉय करो। हर कोई बंदा ऐसे हग करके, कोई ऐसे करके हमें थैंक्स कर रहा है। तो यही पर्पस था। तो लग रहा है कि हमारा पर्पस जो बड़ा अच्छा पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स मिला।
इतने लोगों के आने का यहाँ पर, क्या आपको लगता है कि जर्मनी इस तरह से आगे रेफ्यूजीज को लेकर बढ़ पाएगा?
देखिए, ऐसे रिफ्यूजी की प्रॉब्लम तो है। रिफ्यूजी मतलब कि कितने के ले सकता है, ये आप खुद ही सोचो। हम लोग इंडिया से हैं, कितने लोग आ जाएं तो ले सकते हैं। अभी तो इन्होंने थोड़ी देर पहले इमर्ज किया ईस्ट और वेस्ट को, 17 मिलियन लोग आ गए, उनको अपने स्टैंडर्ड तक लेके आए ये लोग। अभी 1 मिलियन लोग आ चुके हैं, है ना। तो मतलब कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लेते हैं तो इसमें एक और ख़तरा है कि जो डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टीज़ हैं, तो कल को इलेक्शन नहीं जीतेगी, क्योंकि लोगों में भी थोड़ा सा रोष है। वो भी कहते हैं बस कहीं ना कहीं तो मतलब कि, और उसके साथ दूसरी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि टेररिस्ट अटैक हो जाते हैं, जैसे फ्रांस में हुआ, पीछे हनोवर में यहाँ पे हुआ था। तो इस तरह की चीज़ें में डिस्टर्बेंस है। आम जो पब्लिक है, लोग वो तो डिस्टर्ब होते हैं, वो फिर दूसरी जो रेडिकल पार्टीज़ हैं उनको चुन सकती हैं। इसलिए ये बड़ा सोच समझ के और बड़ा तरीके से स्टेप उठाने वाला है। अल्टीमेटली इसका सोल्यूशन यही है कि भी यहाँ पे लड़ाई हो रही है, यहाँ से लोग आ रहे हैं, वहाँ पे लड़ाई ख़त्म होनी चाहिए। लोगों को वहाँ पे उसको दोबारा रीमाउंट करने के लिए वहाँ पे दोबारा वापस जाना चाहिए। कुछ लोग यहाँ पे रुक जाएँ जिनका सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया है, जिनके फैमिली में कोई लोगों डेथ हो गई या ये वो ऑन हो गया। अदरवाइज अल्टीमेट सोल्यूशन ये नहीं है।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप दोनों का, हम लोगों को यहाँ बुलाने के लिए। बात बिल्कुल पते की है कि, और जो लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं उनका भी ये मंशा है कि वो वापस अपने घर जाएं, लेकिन जब तक वहाँ जो तबाही मची हुई है उन देशों में, तब तक वो ख़त्म नहीं होती, तब तक शायद रिफ्यूजीज आते रहेंगे, इस तरह के थैंक्सगिविंग डिनर होते रहेंगे और अपने अपने मसलों के साथ लोग जूझते रहेंगे, जिस तरह के इस वक्त जर्मनी जूझ रहा है। आपको हमारा जर्मनी में रिफ्यूजी क्राइसिस पर चाय चैट कैसा लगा? आप मुझे ट्विटर कर सकते हैं @लवीना टंडन पर, या फिर आप मुझे ईमेल भी डाल सकते हैं chaychat@aajtak.com पर। आपके साथ फिर मुलाकात होगी अगले बार। नमस्कार, टेक केयर।
ये है टीवी टुडे नेटवर्क और आप